Hi, Jennifer from Aster Anne, and I'm so glad that you've stopped by. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an insight into Aster Anne and how it came about. So my whole idea for Aster Anne was to design and develop pre-cut felt kit bases so that they were ready for easy assembly, but the idea was that you got to put you on that felt base. So you were able to decorate and embellish them however you wanted to do so. You put your personality on it, but easy assembly. So they come like this with everything in there. So the big thing with our kits is that everything is included. You don't have to go looking for anything. All the hardware, everything that you need is in there. And the idea is you open it up and then you can decorate. Then with all the hardware that comes in all of our kits does already have pre-punched holes in it, so super easy for stitching on. You can either do it by hand or by machine. So we decorate, stitch on the closure. This one has already had the eyelets or grommets already pre-punched in, and that's something that we do with all of our kits. And we also have a zipper internal pocket already stitched in as well. So this one I've decorated, I've stitched on my closure. Now to make it up, I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4 seams, and that's it. I just snap on the handle, and that is our Luella Clutch Large made. So really easy, really simple to put together. Now you might think, where did the name Luella come from? And each of my kits have been named after family members, and it makes it very personal to me. So the Luella Clutch is named after a niece, Grace Tote is named after another niece, Amalia Backpack is named after another niece. So they all mean something to me. And the Rory Satchel, well, that one's named after my son. So they are very special and personalized products that do mean a lot to me. So I hope that you're going to want to come on the journey and make a Aster Anne pre-cut felt kit, decorate it your way, and put your own embellishment, your own stamp on it.